Hello friends, Duncan here. Currently located in beautiful La Paz in Baja California Sur. I'm standing here on the Malecon, which is adjacent to the bay that's behind me. This La Paz is a beautiful area. The Malecon is really fantastic for walking. Also, tremendous number of fantastic restaurants along the way here. The Malecon is a beautiful oceanfront promenade in La Paz, Baja California Sur, Mexico. This pedestrian walkway stretches for several kilometers along the shore of the Sea of Cortez and offers stunning views of the water and surrounding landscape. The Malecon features a wide variety of attractions, including restaurants, cafes, bars, and shops. Visitors can enjoy local cuisine and drinks while taking in the beautiful scenery, or browse through the many artisanal crafts and souvenirs available for purchase. The Malecon is also home to several public art installations, including sculptures and murals that add to the area's cultural richness. Additionally, there are several parks and public spaces along the Malecon, providing ample opportunity for visitors to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The Malecon is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, particularly during the evenings when the atmosphere becomes lively and energetic. Visitors can enjoy live music and entertainment, or simply stroll along the promenade and take in the sights and sounds of the beautiful coastal city. Overall, the Malecon in La Paz is a must-see destination for anyone visiting the area, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and lively entertainment. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.